Hello, myself Ashmita Chakrabarty. I'll be dealing with your English portion, and today I am with you all with a very interesting topic, and you can have a glance at the topic. The topic is preposition. I have come across many students who are anyway very much confused in this particular topic. So that's why I am here with the definition, basic definition of preposition and certain tricks that you can actually use whenever you are having problems regarding preposition, and I will be dealing with preposition of time today. So before going with it into the tricks, I would like to go with the definition of preposition. Let's have a look. What is the definition of preposition? Preposition basically are words or group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, or to introduce an object. So before going into the example, I would like to highlight the very important portion of the definition. That is, these are the preposition are the words that are used always before a noun, a pronoun, a noun phrase to show the direction, the time, the place, the location, and with the help of all these, it will always help us to introduce the object of a sentence. We all know that sentence is structured like subject plus verb plus object. So that subject part and the object part is always connected through this verb part, and we always need a preposition in order to connect the subject part with the object part. So therein lies the importance of preposition. So we will discuss the importance, or we will discuss the connectivity with the help of some examples. Say for example, I will meet you at 2 p.m. Here I is our subject, right? And I will be meeting you. That is the object at particular point of time. So this particular word at is actually giving us a connection between the subject and the object. That means this particular I will be meeting this particular you at a particular point of time. That means this subject is being connected with this object with the help of this particular preposition at. Similarly, we can have another example. This is my exam is in May. I have my exam at particular point of the year, and this object and this subject part is being connected with this particular preposition in. So you might be thinking of why I am using 2 p.m. or May, because I will be dealing with the tricks related to preposition of time. Let's have a look at the tricks related to preposition of time. So you might be thinking of why I was so serious while discussing the earlier portion, because I was going with the textual definition of preposition, and for that definition and for explaining that definition you have to be very serious, right? But now we will be having our tricks part, and I assure you people that you will be having fun while going with this part. So we'll be discussing the preposition of time. The at preposition, the in preposition, and the on preposition. How these particular prepositions are used while going with the time. So earlier I have already told you people that prepositions are used in order to know the connection between the subject and the object. But after going through the tricks, I assure you that you people actually will need no time to answer your preposition. So let's see how to deal with the preposition of time. So for that I have some interesting thing for you. One is the clock, the next one is the calendar. So why I am using these two particular gadget, I can use the word gadget here. Clock and calendar basically are two gadgets that are used in order to know time, right? So I have divided the whole portion into parts, right? Whenever we are dealing with clock, we will have time like hour, the minute, the second. So whenever we will be dealing with the hour portion, the minute portion, or the time portion, then we will have always the at preposition. the at preposition. Let's have a look at the example here. I will go to school at 7 o'clock. So forget the earlier thing and have a look at the sentence only. I will go to school at 7 o'clock. If I omit this at here and if it is a blank, I will go to school dash 7 o'clock. What you will have to remember here is this particular part. This part is dealing with the clock. And whenever we are dealing things with the clock, we will have at preposition. So the answer is at only. The next one is calendar, the time related to calendar. Years, months, days, dates. These are the things that are there always in calendar. So whenever we are having time related to year like 1947 or 2000 or anything like that, or if we are having months, the 12 months of the year, January, February or whatever it may be, whenever we are having months in a year in a sentence, then we will be dealing with in preposition. Let's again have a look at the example. India got its independence in 1947. So forget the definition, I have been telling you it repeatedly. India got its independence. If I omit this preposition again here, it is 1947. It is something that is again related to calendar. All we have to remember is this clock gadget and the calendar gadget. Whenever we are having clock thing, we will be using at. Whenever we are having this year and month thing, we will be having in. Therefore, India got its independence in 1947. And let's have a look at the last thing, last but not the least again, the days and the dates. We also have the days, the dates in a calendar, the week or the dates, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or some special day you can say here. So whenever we are having these days and the dates, we will be using on preposition. Take this example again. India got its independence on 15th of August 1947. If have a look at the previous one, India got its independence in 1947. Why we are using in preposition here? It is because we are dealing with the year here. And have a look at the next one. India got its independence on 15th of August. Why on? Because we are dealing with a particular day or a particular date. We are dealing with a particular date, that is 15th of August 1947. That's why we are using on preposition here. So similarly we can go with I will meet you on Monday next, because this is a special or a specific day, and then my birthday is on 22nd of May, that again is a specific date. So these basically are the preposition of the time and the tricks related to it. The only thing that you people have to remember is these two gadgets, the clock and the calendar. What are the things that are there in a clock and what are the things that are there in a calendar? And whenever we are having this clock thing, we will be using this at preposition. Whenever we are using having these years and months thing, we will be using this in preposition. Whenever we are having these days and dates, we will be using on preposition. Hope you people have understood this particular point, and I'll be back with more such tricks related to preposition. Thank you so much.